Choosing a basic air conditioner used to be easy, but in today's market, the entry-level models from different brands are built so differently that picking the wrong one could cost you thousands in upfront price and future repairs. You might think the big name brand is the safe bet, but there's a hidden value gap in these baseline units that most homeowners completely overlook. I'm HVAC repair guy with over 17 years in the industry as a service technician, installer, and contractor. I've seen what works in the field and what ends up as scrap metal. Before I was a contractor, I was a Navy nuclear electrical operator. So I'm trained to look past the marketing and focus on the engineering and the numbers. Today, we are putting two basic category heavyweights head to head, the Lennox ML14KC1 and the Napoleon WTBCS. Both of these units are designed to be the workhorses of the residential market. They are single-stage systems, meaning they are either 100% on or 100% off. They both hit an efficiency rating of 14.3 SEER2, which is the current industry baseline. On the surface, they look almost identical, but once you pull the panels, the differences start to show. The Lennox ML14KC1 is part of their Merit series. It's a solid, louvered coil unit made right here in the USA. However, because it's Lennox's budget-friendly option, they've stripped away some of the extras. For example, this unit does not come standard with a compressor blanket. If you want a quieter operation, you're usually looking at an aftermarket add-on. It's a simple, no-frills machine built for reliability and massive parts availability. Now, look at the Napoleon WTBCS. While Napoleon is widely known for high-end fireplaces, they are a private Canadian manufacturer, Wolf Steel Limited, that builds their own HVAC equipment. Even though this is their baseline single-stage model, they include a compressor blanket as standard equipment. That's a big deal for noise reduction and vibration damping, something Lennox saves for their more expensive tiers. The Napoleon also features swept fan blades and a micro-channel condenser coil, which is designed for better heat transfer in a smaller footprint. When it comes to the manufacturer relationship, Lennox is a massive flagship brand under Lennox International, with a dealer network that covers every corner of the country. Napoleon is the challenger, a family-owned, subsidiary-free brand that prides itself on build consistency. While Lennox has better parts availability at any local supply house, Napoleon often has a more consistent build quality because they aren't outsourcing components to the lowest bidder. Let's talk real-world pricing. A Lennox ML14KC1 installation typically ranges from $5,000 to $8,500 depending on your tonnage and location. The Napoleon WTBCS usually comes in lower, often landing between $4,000 and $6,500. You are essentially paying a premium for the Lennox name and the peace of mind that comes with a bigger service network. If you are a homeowner looking for the best bang for your buck, the choice is clear. The Napoleon WTBCS offers a better build with the included compressor blanket and specialized fan design at a lower price point than the Lennox. While the Lennox is a reliable, safe choice with parts on every shelf, Napoleon gives you a more refined piece of equipment for significantly less money. The final verdict, Napoleon is the winner. In the basic category, where every dollar counts, Napoleon delivers features that the Lennox Merit Series simply leaves on the table. Shop like a pro by using the head-to-head tool on hvac-for-beginners.com